Hey guys, this is Brian from Spooky Latest. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have 5 brand new inflatables from Amazon. I'll put the product links down below. Stick around. Alright, so we have the Headless Horseman. I really like this one, and he blows up pretty solid. I mean, he blew up fast, he's solid, he looks good. And I love his cape. He has this big, giant Superman cape. Totally dig this one. And he's got the little bloody axe up there. Pretty neat. Now this one is pretty groovy, man. I totally dig this one. It's pretty fat. It's very wide, very tall. And then we have the tombstone one, or the gravestone, whatever you want to call it. I love how his eyes shine right there. Oh, bam. Really neat. And then we got this crazy, I think it's a dinosaur. He's really cute. He's got felt on his teeth and things like that. He's got a big tail right there. Then we got this bad boy right here. He's pretty tall. I like that. Looks like he has a hook hand. Pretty cool. Probably would have been cool if they put a light inside the axe, or something like in the pole or the stick or something. But it looks cool nonetheless. I love this jack-o'-lantern. This looks really good. Man, that's pretty cool. Then we got the big tree. I love those pumpkins. 3 different faces there. Got a ghost coming out of the side. Little evil bat. Little one-eyed ghost. And then here's the tombstone one. Like I said, I like his eyes, man. Alright, hopefully you guys like this video. Until next time, stay spooky, my friends. I'll see you next video. I got lots more inflatables.